guys, this is Charles Butler here, and a short video just on a bed that I just purchased on Amazon.com. It's for my cargo trailer, camper conversion. So this will be episode, I believe 9. Yeah, episode 9. So anyways, I built a bed actually in the trailer. It's a wood bed. See, check out the photo. It's horrible. I don't like it. I don't think it's sturdy. You know, I only weigh 180, but I don't know. I just don't feel comfortable with it. So I went on Amazon on Black Friday and purchased a Zinus bed. And it's just a made of metal. It's a 30 by 75 by 14. So it's 75 in width or lengthwise, and then 30 in width. And it's about 14 inches high, so which is perfect. I put some stuff underneath it. So anyways, I'm just gonna replace the current bed I have in there and replace it with this one. This one's gonna be more sturdy, and I can put some stuff underneath it as well. All right, so let's unbox it here. Let's see what we got. And so again, it's on Amazon. I'll provide the link in there. Zinus. It's a bed here. It's a twin size. That's what I got. And sorry, here we go. So the packaging is pretty good. Comes with this little styrofoam. I guess it's important, you know. Anyway, yeah. All right, we got the bed. It's all ziplocked in ties, looks like. Instructions and all the hardware you need. So they're saying that you don't really need tools to put this bed together. So I'm gonna spread this out here and we'll see if we can put it together. They say about 20 minutes to put it all together. We'll see. All right, so give me a second. I'm gonna lay this out. All right, so I got this out of the box now. So again, it comes with these screws. Basically, it's just like what, 4, 8, 12, 14. So 14 bolts. Also a little ratchet here. I thought this was pretty cool. A little handy one. I could probably use it for later on for other tools. And that's it. And this has a little, looks like a little instructions here, a little pamphlet. Let's see what this is. It says hello you. Hello you back, Zinus. It says here, made with love from the people of Zinus. Come say hi at Zinus.com. Thank you, Zinus. Appreciate it. Again, I got this on Amazon, so let's see here. A little thank you card. This is pretty cool. A little thank you card here from Zinus. Hello you again. From Zinus. I don't know why they sent me 2 of these, but little packaging. All right, so we got that, and then the most important thing is the instructions. I know some of you probably think, well, how hard is it to put a bed together? Well, let me tell you something. I'm not very handy. I'm not very good with tools. And so as long as I hope I follow the instructions, I kind of just like looking at the pictures. But pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And so, all right, I'm going to get started working on this, and I'll get back with you guys, all right? Alrighty then. Well, guys, set it all up now. Looks really good too. So this actually took me 20 minutes to get it up. So I mean, like, man, this is easy. I just kind of, I mean, it's not that many parts to kind of look at, but pretty simple, lightweight. It's like no more than like 19 pounds or anything like that. So it's nice, and you know, and it folds in. So look at that. Look at that. I didn't even know that. So, you know, I'm kind of excited about it, and so it's all set, and it's pretty sturdy too. I'm really impressed. You know, good job, Zinus, man. And let me tell you guys something. This tool works wonders. Man, that was so much easier with this tool that they provided. Thank you, Zinus. That's awesome. Thank you. All right, so this is going into my cargo trailer, camper conversion. So it's all done. I think it's perfect, just for me. So I'm excited. So thank you so much, Zinus, for sending this on. Again, people, I'm going to be putting this on the the website there. All right, so here we go.